Changing the date on a Rolex Oyster Perpetual Date sounds simple, right? But it's one of those things where doing it wrong can cost you, and not just in time. You can actually damage the movement if you're careless. The whole issue lies in the crown mechanism. It has multiple positions, and each one does a very different thing. One controls the second's hand, one the hour and minute, and one the date. Miss the right spot, and it's chaos. Here's the most important rule, and tattoo this on your brain. Never change the date between 8 p.m. and 4 a.m. That's when the date change gears are partially engaged internally. Forcing them risks fracturing fragile parts. So first, take the watch off. Give yourself some space and good lighting. You don't want to drop it or fumble the crown. These watches can take a beating, but not when it comes to internal mechanics. Unscrew the crown slowly. Like, really slowly. This is not a ketchup bottle. You want to feel the pop as the crown releases from the case threading. Once it's free, pull it gently to the first click. At this first position, rotating the crown clockwise will start to change the date. This is what you want if you're only trying to adjust the day of the month, not the time itself. You'll feel a soft resistance, that's normal. Now carefully advance the date. 1 click per day, super clean. Don't rush it. Rolex gears are engineered within ridiculously tight tolerances. You know you're doing it right when each twist clearly advances the date number. Pro tip, if you're trying to correct the date after letting the watch run down, first advance the time past midnight to make sure whether it's AM or PM. Otherwise, you'll set the wrong half of the day. Rookie mistake. The hack I use? Set the time to 6 a.m. before changing the date. That middle ground avoids all the danger zones. Then after you adjust the date, set the correct time last. It's like a safe operating perimeter. Once done, push the crown back in against the case and screw it down tight. Don't go gorilla strength on it, just enough to keep the water resistance intact. This entire process should take no more than 2 minutes. Ironically, the simpler the Rolex model, the more people mess it up. Oyster Perpetual Date only has a single date complication, but users assume there's a quick set like on newer models. There's not. You twist through the hours. If this sounds like a lot of effort, that's kind of the point of owning a Rolex, isn't it? You don't buy one just to check the time. You buy it because precision matters. And this small ritual is part of that.